Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming Windows 11 build and ensuring at least 20% free disk space. This prevents interrupted backups. Next, pick a destination, external drive, NAS, or cloud, and verify capacity. You need enough room for a full image. Once done, plug in the external disk or mount your NAS, then enable file history and open backup settings. Make sure to run as admin when required. This gives you access to the system image and advanced backup options right away. You now create a system image to capture Windows, settings, and apps. Open Control Panel, go to Backup and Restore Windows 7, and choose Create a System Image. This is intentional because the legacy tool makes a full image. Select your destination, external drive or network share, include system and recovery partitions, then confirm the backup size so you understand space usage. Once you start, monitor progress in the UI. Note the estimated completion time and avoid heavy disk activity while the image runs. Finish by creating a recovery USB so you can restore the image. Create a recovery drive and include system files, then label and store it securely. Once the image completes, verify integrity. Mount the VHD or check backup logs to ensure files are readable and the image boots. If something goes wrong during restore, try the recovery USB on a different USB port, test on another machine, or check disk health. These steps often reveal hardware or permission issues that block restoration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.